the codebabes SEO Virgin course. You need a computer, a little HTML knowledge, and your brain. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Good SEO means Google likes you. You might even show up on the first page when people search for something related to your site, which means Google has a hard-on for you. There's also other search engines like Bing, but everyone knows people only use Bing for porn. Plus, Google kicks their ass in market share, so you're better off spending time worrying about your Google search results. If you're dominating Google, you're probably dominating everything else. And don't forget, YouTube is the second most searched site on the web. Google closely guards their search algorithm, which is how they determine their search results. They do say it's based on over 200 factors. Stuff like content freshness, age of your site, quality of content, even how fast your site runs. The original algorithm was based on PageRank, a technique named after Google's founder Larry Page, to determine a page's quality by the number of other pages that link back to it, with the idea that the more links to the page, the better the content must be. Google's bots crawl the web 24/7, indexing everything they can get their hands on to help index the web and provide the best search results. The better the search results Google provides, the more money they make. Let's take a look at a search page. We'll search sexy costumes, which is a competitive industry for SEO, especially during Halloween. Plus, not terrible to look at either. The first thing you need to know is that people pay for some of these results. The stuff you see at the top of the page and sometimes in the sidebar are paid results. Every time you click on this stuff, the owner pays a cost per click. The other stuff is organic search results that you don't pay for. But you'll have to put in the time creating awesome content and optimizing your site to get there. The SEO industry is full of bullshitters who promise great results for little work. So let's get one thing straight right off the bat. Nothing replaces great content. Well, except for maybe great content and a really nice rack. Not that I would know. That being said, if your content is already great, but nobody's finding it, there are a few things you can do to make your site more Google friendly. That's what we're going to talk about in this course. SEO is all about attention to detail. It's not hard, but you need to do all the little things right to get the results you want. Take our hand and we'll be your guide. May the SEO force be with you.